the 2016 Subaru Outback. This four-door, five-passenger wagon will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include front bucket seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, blind spot sensor, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.